Around my house, I'm the cook. I know what it takes to get the best flavor from meats, but there's one problem that has always plagued me, and that's getting a delicious smoky barbecue taste without the hassle of setting up an expensive smoker. Well, today, that all changes with this, the Smoke Drum XL. Get that delicious, smoky flavor without the expense of buying and storing a smoker. The Smoke Drum XL turns your grill into a fully functioning smoker in a matter of minutes. Come on and let me show you how it works. First, fill the Smoke Drum XL with your favorite wood pellets. Put it on your grill, then light it with a torch. Give your meats, cheeses, and nuts that signature smoky flavor found nowhere else. For a limited time, Smoke Drum has bundles to get you started. Get one for yourself or give it as a gift to the other chefs in your family. When you order today, Smoke Drum is also going to include their recipe ebook. It's never been easier to get started. Ready to try yours today? Click the Shop Now button.